Hey guys, we're going to review shapes. This is a square. It has 4 equal sides. This is a circle. It goes around and around like a ball. This is a rectangle. It's almost like a square, but it has 2 longer sides and then 2 shorter sides. The last one. This is a triangle. It's got 3 sides. It looks like a pointy piece of pizza or a Christmas tree. So let's look at some things that are squares. A box, a gift, Post-it notes, a side of an ice cube. What about circles? Tires, balls, yummy, yummy pizza, flowers. Yum, that pizza's making me hungry. All right, a rectangle, a TV screen, a whiteboard or a chalkboard. A rug can be a rectangle, and the doors of your house can be rectangles. Triangles, a party hat can be a triangle, a Christmas tree shape is a triangle, the top of an arrow, and a slice of yummy pizza. All right, guys, so remember, triangle, rectangle, circle, and square.